In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up Lightbox to your Wix website from setup to publish. First, open your Wix website. Head to wix.com, log in, and from your dashboard, choose the site you want to work on. If you manage multiple sites, double-check the thumbnail and site name so you're editing the correct one. This keeps everything organized and avoids surprises later. Next, jump into the website editor. On the left side of your dashboard, click Site and Mobile App or just Site if that's what you see. In the drop-down, select Website, then choose Design Site, or click the pen icon to open the Wix website editor. Give it a moment to load. Once the canvas appears, you're ready to build. Now add your pop-up, also called a Lightbox. In the editor, click Add or Add Elements on the left. Scroll to Interactive and select it, then open Pop-ups. You'll see ready-made categories like Welcome for greeting new visitors, Subscribe for collecting emails, Promotion for special offers, and Contact for inviting messages. Pick the style that fits your goal and drag it onto the canvas. You can reposition it freely. It won't show to visitors until we set behavior and publish. Set the triggers and behavior so the pop-up appears at the right time. Click the pop-up element, then select Set Triggers. Give it a clear name like Email Pop-up so you can find it later. Choose how it appears. Automatically, with a short delay, or on click, when someone selects a button or link. If you choose automatic, a delay of about 3 to 5 seconds is a good starting point, so visitors have a moment to see the page first. Select which pages it should appear on, such as only the home page or across all pages, and decide whether to show an X icon or a close button. Make closing obvious and easy to keep the experience user-friendly. Customize the content to match your message and brand. Click the pop-up to open its content settings. Edit the headline and body text. Refine the button text and adjust colors, fonts, and background. Keep the wording clear, use one strong call to action, and ensure contrast is high for readability. Preview and publish to go live. Click Preview to see the pop-up as a visitor would. Confirm it appears at the right time, on the correct pages, and that the close option works reliably. If needed, make quick adjustments, then click Publish in the top right to push it to your live site. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.